Hi guys, today we are making another version of healthy fufu or keto fufu using cauliflower, and we'll be making it exactly like EBA. If you love EBA, come in here. This video is for you, especially if you love yellow EBA. So I've washed and diced the cauliflower into tiny pieces, added it into the pot, added a dash of water, cooked for 5 minutes. Then I started stirring it. Please cook on a low heat so that it doesn't burn, because it doesn't even need water, just a dash of water. After every 5 minutes I stir it to make sure that the ones on top goes down and it cooks evenly. Then after about 15 minutes I proceeded to blending it with my hand blender inside the same pot. After blending it, I added 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk, added palm oil. Then I proceeded to stirring it so that it will turn into EBA. The more you stir it in a hot pot with your stove on, the more it becomes more elastic like EBA. You can see the consistency. This is exactly how it should look like when it is ready. Then just tie it on a nylon and keep it aside so that it will form very well once it gets cold. And I normally do this in a larger quantity, store in the freezer, and I bring it out overnight, a day before eating it. Keep it on my kitchen counter and allow it to defrost, then microwave for a minute or thereabout, then enjoy with any soup of your choice. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.